All right, it's Chinese kit time. I kind of got a head start here. I was using this to film a different video, and I soldered on some resistors here as part of a soldering video. But we will continue with the Chinese kit time. Now, this Chinese kit time came with instructions. Yeah, Jaeger Buhao. It's 4 to 7 volts. I guess we can get that out of it. It's got a 555 in it. I guess we can get that out of it. I guess we could probably translate this with Google Translate, but that would be no fun. It says here that F equals 1 over 0.7 times R1 plus R2 plus 2R3 times C1. So if we look at the schematic, it gives us the schematic in the back. It looks like the power comes in and it goes into a 555 that then runs the speaker. So I think it's a noisemaker. I think it just makes obnoxious sounds. So yeah, let's get it built. All right, let's get this built the IMSAI guy way, fast and without care, because we're going to throw it away when we're done. Anyway, you get the idea. Just drop something on the floor. Oh, it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. We have backup. We have backup. All right. Put on some. Oops! I'm getting something in the way here. Let me rotate something around here. It's kind of getting me annoyed. All right. Let's figure out what else we got going on here. There's another resistor there we can put on. Nice thing is all the resistors are the same. That made it easy. And we got some capacitors that are all the same. 103s. Everybody say out loud, what's a 103? That's right. Make sure these are 103s. I got one extra one, so make sure they're all the same. They're stuck to the speaker. I don't know if you've opened up by these Chinese kits and then you find out that all your parts are stuck to the speaker because it's magnetic. See, there's stuff underneath here. Be careful not to ruin your speaker. All right, so put some of these on. All right, let's see if we can turn it upside down without them going on the floor. Oops. IMSAI gal was freaking out about IMSAI dog. IMSAI dog had a flea on him. Oh no, he had a flea. So we're gonna have to get him some flea meds. We thought he was on a flea med. Turns out he was just on a particular drug that's good for heartworm and parasites, but not necessarily fleas and ticks. Oh, there you go. It's ivermectin. You've heard about ivermectin. Same one. It's formulated a bit differently for dogs. But yeah, dogs get ivermectin. There you go. That'll probably ban my video because I use the word ivermectin. I don't know. We'll see. Okay. God, this is really bugging me. All right. We got a little one. So the long lead of a capacitor is the plus one. So shove the long lead into the plus hole. That's the way that works. You can also look at the side here. It's got a stripe that says negative. But use the cheat code. Use the long lead. All right. Bend, bend, bend. Right. All right, now what do I got? Speaker, power and ground, S1. I think we should put on S1. Not to be confused with S2, because he's not there. Uh-oh, it's going to fall out. Nope. Okay, I'll hold in. Look at those nice balls, those terrible joints. All right, does everybody want me to put the flux on to make it all pretty? Okay, we'll put flux all over this thing. See how it works. See, it didn't help at all. IMSAI girl is sneaking around in the background trying to be quiet for my video. The pantry is out here in the garage, so she came out for a snack. She has a work-at-home job several days out of the week, so works at Stanford. All right, let's see here. Now I got rosin all over myself. Blah, it's all sticky now. All sticky. I hate it. Look at, it's all goopy now. It's all goopy. Look what you made me do. Look what you made me get upset and goopy. Why did you do that? I got to de-goop. I get some alcohol and get that goo off my stupid PC board and off my fingers. Get it off my fingers. I hate flux. It's the bane. Actually, the bane of the electronics world is heatsink grease. That stuff goes everywhere. Yeah, it's bad. Heatsink grease is really, really bad. All right, so let's go ahead and put on the 555. It's gave you a socket. Isn't that nice to give you a socket? All right. We've got a speaker with no leads and some other things here. So let's we're going to do a ghetto thing here. We're going to use a capacitor that I have 5,000 of that I can just use anywhere I want to for any reason I want to. And I'm going to put that on the ground in VCC. And what that's going to do, it's going to create a loop that I can attach my clip leads to power the thing up. Wow, that's really clever, IMSAI guy. I can hear you all saying it now. All right. Snip, snip. Two at once. And now we have to add a speaker. But the speaker, it's got no speaker wires, so we'll have to fix that. We will have to remedy that. All right, so let's put the speaker in the vise. There's a little something stuck onto the magnet. All right, they did give us some wire though, so we'll use their wire. I won't have the expenses. I'm pre-tinning the wire so it has a better chance of sticking. Oops, too fast. Too fast. There we go. Oh, it just, geez. Oh, this kit is living up to expectations. Living up to expectations. I think it's gonna, the pad just gonna lift, and now, oh, Oh, now the solder won't stick. There, people screaming, use the flux. Use the force. Yeah, I think I will have to. All right, so there you go. See, if it absolutely fails 100%, I'm going to use my flux. And it's the wire. It's not the board. The board's fine. The wire, the solder will not stick. Will not stick to the wire. Oddly enough. Oddly enough, I'm going to retin using flux this time. Oh. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take the wire and throw it on the ground. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get some wire that actually works. How about that? How about that? I'm going to spend money on my Chinese kit. Let's see, what wire should I use? Let's use some fun wire. What wire haven't I used for a while? How about, where's my blue wire? Here it is. I'll use this blue wire. Snip, snip. 2 pieces. Okay, look at that lovely blue wire. You look awful dark. Has it been dark all that time? Has it been dark all that time? Sorry about that. All right, let's see if this wire cooperates. Look at that, it sticks. Now this other wire must be made out of steel, I swear. Or aluminum, maybe that's it. No, aluminum's too expensive. Pot metal. Probably made out of old beer cans or something. I don't know. I don't know. I just know that possibly the speaker now no longer works because when that pad lifted, I saw the tiny, tiny, tiny little wire, but I think I kept it intact. But we will see, we will see. All right, let's power it up. 5 volts. Didn't it say 5 volts was okay? I think so. Let's find 5 volts. So I've got colors here. I got red and black. I think that's 5 volts. Let's go ahead. Push the button. Oh, cool. It's a ding-dong. That's better than expected. So how did they accomplish the ding-dong? They got diode switching. So in one direction and the other direction, it's different. I like it. All right, Chinese kit time. Jia Jin, see you later.